Hey, welcome to Beauty by Red. I am going to show you how I do my natural hair. If we're doing about combinations, making sure my hands are clean, because I did a makeup one. 3C hair, I guess. So the key, moisturizing. So I did kind of moisturize on here. I like these bottles here. They're wonderful. And for 3C, maybe 4A in the back. I don't know. I know I have hair where it's stringy, curly, and stuff. So make sure the water is in. I only use a couple of things in this head of mine. Make sure that water is in there. I love this. By Carol's Daughter. A true stretch defining. And her products always smell good. Little goes a long ways. I have low porosity hair, so sometimes I have to put a plastic bag on my hair to capture the moisture and stuff. And what I do, I take a brush, a comb, this comb, any type of comb. I brush so all the product is in there. And then I go back and try to create some curls. I'm trying to just let the top grow longer. I try to keep just enough hair where I can still get braids in my hair. So comb that out, as you see. I'm combing all that out. Hope you can see me. The back of my head. Back of my hair is more curlier than the front. And I know I need to wash my hair because now I probably got some buildup of product. And I'll show you. I do wash day. Okay. And everything should be covered. Sometimes I do this. I love the smell of this. I just rub it in my hair. Maybe one more good squirt. And I have taken care of my hair a long time. The only thing I can do is braiding my own hair. But anything else, I cut, style my hair. I'll take that comb again. My hair changes up, but I can do it a certain way and it'll style how it's going to style. So today, how are we going to do it? Sometimes I have time to go under the dryer. I don't have time for the dryer today. I don't want to. You can either swoop it Normally, I let my hair dry naturally unless I'm trying to have a straight pixie. So sometimes, I don't know. I don't know how I want to do my hair today. I don't want it real smooth because I want it to dry a little and be a little curly. That's the back of my hair. So I'm going to lay that down. I see I need to line my hair again. Put these up. And I also I love this, and I love these. Sorry. Oh, how did I forget this? I got this from the Dollar Tree. This serum, hair serum. You can use your oils just to seal that moisture in. I actually don't need a bag on it, it seems, because it kind of dried in. Make sure that's in. Some people put it afterwards. I put it on while it's wet, especially since I'm wearing my hair wet. And I'll let that dry out a little. And then what I'll do, see what I'm doing. Comb it down. So I'm gonna take some hair gel. Eco Solid, olive oil, and this, whatever. And what I do, oh, let me get in there so you can see. Just slow that down. Even though it lifts up. Let's see. And I gotta get used to being in the mirror like this on camera. Okay. And I take that comb. Because I like a little spiky there. As my hair gets longer, they get thicker. Now with me, I'm gonna get y'all in here. Yeah. I like this lifted. So it'll be kind of have that tapered, rounded look. I have to go in the mirror in a minute just to see. And I'm gonna let that dry. Make sure. Yep. Trying to get that so I can see. So you see how I just lifted it up a little. Just a little. So I have that little rounded. And you can either take your little, I have two of these, so don't come at me, because I use one for my brow, like a brow brush, and just, I'm going to dry on his own. Make sure I got it like I want it. A little curly then. Yeah, my hair is crazy. I got so many different textures in my hair, but it's all right. Thank God for my hair. Can y'all see me? Okay. I keep remembering. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let that dry a little. I'm gonna lift that up just a tad. I don't want it too flat on my head. You know, it's probably a change up throughout the day. And you can put a little gel on the side. I can do a little swoop. That brush. And just swoop. Nothing fancy. It's Monday. I normally don't work on Monday, but I got an appointment on Tuesday, so I didn't want to use up all my days, my hours, PTO time, so. Okay. And that's it. What kind of style is this? I don't know. Because probably by the end of the day, before the end of the day, it's going to be kind of curly, and I'll lift it up more, but this will do for now. Pat your sides out. And that's it. Here's a 360. Get my squeaky floor. How you like me now? Well, anyway, thank you for tuning in to Beauty by Red. Until the next video, let me know what all you want to see. If you want to see more beauty stuff, let me know. If it's more fitness, let me know. Just let me know. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.